24 divided 12 divided 6 divided 3 is what? So 24 divided by 12 gives 2, 6 divided 3 gives 2 and 2 divided 2 gives 1. But this is the incorrect answer. When you have given same operation multiple times, then you have to solve it from left to right. So here we have given division, division and division. Then we have to solve it from left to right. How? Let's see. So for on the left we have given 24 divided by 12. We can write it like this. Divided 6 divided by 3. 24 divided by 12 gives 2 divided by 6 divided by 3. Earlier we divide 6 with 3, but we have to solve it from left. So first we have to solve 2 divided by 6, then divided by 3. 2 divided by 6 gives 1 by 3 divided by 3. Now this here I am going to use KCF rule. Here K stands for keep, C stands for change and F stands for flip. That means keep the left hand, change the symbol from division to multiplication and flip the right hand. So this 3 becomes, we can write 3 by 1 and when we flip it, it's become 1 by 3. So what is the correct answer? 1 by 9. I hope it's clear and you find it useful. So don't forget to share your feedback through like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.